Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're signed in, so find the person whose friend request you sent. Use search or the friend's right arrow people tab and type the exact username. Partial names can return many results. Once you see their profile, tap or click it to open the profile page. Make sure this is the correct account because Roblox won't label duplicates clearly. If you can't find them, double-check spelling and any underscores or numbers, then return to search and retry. You're now ready for the next step. On the profile page, look at the large action button under the avatar. It shows the current relationship. If it reads requested or cancel request, that's the actionable control. Click or tap that button to remove the outgoing request. This sends an immediate change to Roblox's servers. Once done, the button should revert to add friend or follow depending on settings. Make sure you see the visual change. If the label doesn't change, wait a moment and try again to confirm the cancel completed. After canceling, confirm the action by refreshing the profile and checking that the button now shows add friend or follow. If it still shows requested, refresh your browser or app, or sign out and back in to force a sync. If that fails, the other user may have blocked you or deleted their account. Both prevent state changes and keep the request visible. As a final tip, check from another device or the web if the mobile app behaves inconsistently. That usually reveals a client-side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.